Ludicrous. Ludicrous means unreasonable and deserving to be laughed at, that is, hasyaspad. So the correct answer is option B, ridiculous. Trembling. Trembling means shaking involuntarily, typically as a result of anxiety, excitement or cold. So the correct answer is option A, shivering. Innuendo. Innuendo means a remark that suggests something improper or negative indirectly. So the correct answer is option D, insinuation. Morbid. Morbid means disturbing and horrifying, especially related to death. So the correct answer is option B, macabre. Sardonic. Sardonic means grimly mocking or cynical. So the correct answer is option C, derisive. Grime. Grime means dirt. So the correct answer is option A, filth. Pertinent. Pertinent means relevant or applicable to a particular matter. So the correct answer is option B, appropriate. Nimble. Nimble means quick and light in movement or action. The correct synonym is option D, agile. Voluble. Voluble means talking fluently, readily or incessantly. The correct synonym is option C, garrulous. Pilferage. Pilferage means stealing. The correct answer is option A, embezzlement. Reproof. Reproof means an expression of blame or disapproval. The correct answer is option B, rebuke. Rebut. Rebut means to prove something false by presenting evidence or arguments. The correct answer is option C, refute. Consternation. Consternation means feeling of anxiety. The correct answer is option D, dismay. Moribund. Moribund means at the point of death or in a state of decline. The correct answer is option B, dying. Admonishment. Admonishment means a mild or formal warning or expression of disapproval. The correct answer is option A, rebuke. Invigorating. Invigorating means making one feel strong, healthy, and full of energy. So the correct answer is option C, refreshing. Slackness. Slackness means lack of activity or diligence, laziness or looseness. The correct answer is option D, lethargy. Obdurate. Obdurate means stubborn. And the correct answer is option B, stubborn. Eulogy. Eulogy means a speech that praises someone highly, especially after their death. The correct answer is option C, praise. Somber. Somber means dark or dull in tone. The correct answer is option A, gloomy. Desiccated. Desiccated means dried out. The correct answer is option B, dehydrated. Contraband. Contraband means illegally imported or exported goods. Option C, smuggled goods. Expertise. Expertise means specialized knowledge or skill in a particular field. The correct answer is option B, proficiency. Ominous. Ominous means something bad or unpleasant is going to happen. The correct answer is option D, menacing. Decimate. Decimate means to destroy or kill a large part of something. The correct synonym is exterminate. Detrimental. Detrimental means causing harm or damage. Correct answer is option A, injurious. Evince. Evince means to show or reveal. The correct answer is option B, demonstrate. Labyrinth. Labyrinth means a complex and confusing network of passages or paths. The correct answer is option D, maze. Scandalized. Scandalized means shocked or offended. The correct answer is option A, appalled. Disheveled. Disheveled means messy in appearance. The correct answer is option B, sloppy.